Hi guys, so I recorded this video already and then my phone storage was full and it did not record. So I'm gonna try again. This is a entry to my 1,000 subscriber and 40th birthday challenge, and this is from Liana, and I asked her how to pronounce her name and I still feel like I'm doing it wrong, but anyway, so this is from Liana. It's a deal. Sometimes I say Liana and I'm like, is it Liana? Liana. Okay. And I want you guys to know that when I opened this confetti like came out of the box and went into the air, and it made me so incredibly happy. And I think that is the desired effect for confetti. I love it. I know some people are like, oh, it's a mess. It's like, it's okay. Just vacuum it up. It's fine. Like, it literally like flew out of the box like a little bit, like sprinkled, and it just made me so happy. Anyway, okay, so I have been through this and you guys are in for a treat because I know what's here, and I'm kind of glad that it didn't record because I spent too much time looking at this because look how pretty it is. I literally was like, the amount of time that I spent staring at this is actually embarrassing, so I'm kind of glad that I have to do this again because I have spent a bunch of time, and as a matter of fact, this was together, and I like in my like, you know, oohing and ahhing, I like popped this, so that was me. It came perfect, but I got too excited. So anyway, this is Becky Hope's, and I'm so excited. And this is so pretty. I don't know why I am obsessed with chipboard. I just am. Is anybody else like me? Is anybody else like a chipboard fanatic? I just love it. It's just, I don't look at it. It's so pretty. And she added like either some kind of paste or stickles or something, and it like took this like up 300 notches because look how pretty it is with the glitter. Can you see the glitter? Oh my gosh, guys. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Look at the layers. Look how chunky it is. And the thing I love about this too is that she put it on foam, so I could like pop this off and put it like anywhere I want. Although right now I just want it to stay right here on this embellishment box because it's so pretty. And she made a little shaker in the background. Look, with the prettiest mix. I love these glitter sequins. They are my favorite. Look how pretty that is. And then look at this paper. It's like pink with this gold bird on it. And so look how the confetti is like sticking to it, and that's just adding like more fun for me. Like, so fun. I love this so much. I love these houses. Gosh, it's so good. And I'm literally gonna just like put it on my desk and just stare at it because it is like beyond beautiful. It is so nice. Oh my goodness. I love these colors. Gosh. So pretty. And then she also did something so cool. So this is actually like either like a really thick like 110 or like a light cardstock. A light like cardboard. It's almost like chipboard. And I like, normally when you get die cuts, they're like in a pattern paper, you know, already. But I've never seen it done like this, and this is such a good idea because I love the idea of just like having this little project, like just taking this and like adding paper, adding all the things and embellishing it up. And like, I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to do that with this because these are so cute, and they're easy. Like if I glued something on here, it'd be easy to fussy cut and then just like use my crocodile and put a hole in it. And I've never seen like die cuts gifted like this, and I love it so much. And I also love the idea of just like having a little small project, because sometimes I'm always like trying to attack like a swap, you know, the whole thing, and it's nice to just have time to just like sit, because when they're small like this, you can like just do so much with it. And I love it. And I love this this ribbon too. It's so pretty. I love like this being on here like this. Such a good idea. I love that so much. And then she had the cutest bag toppers, and I'm wondering if this came in a set. It is so cute. And I actually just bought some bags from Temu, and this is the perfect size. Look how perfect that is. So cute. I got these bags. I don't know if I'm gonna do a haul or not. I might. It's small. I guess it's fine even if it's a small haul. That's the thing I like about Liana. She posts like her hauls, and like sometimes they're like small, but she has like such consistent content. She posts all like every day, and which like I feel like she posts almost every day, and I love that. I look forward to seeing her videos in the morning. I watch every single one that she posts. She has the best hauls ever. You guys should subscribe to her if you're not. Her YouTube name is Adilo5. It's gonna be in the description. It'll be in the title of this video actually, so you can just click on it and just go straight and subscribe. You will not regret it. She's amazing, and she's so sweet and supportive. Like I don't know how she does it. She comments on like so many of our videos and like watches them and just is so sweet and like participates in all the challenges, and it's just like such a sweet addition to the crafting community. So grateful for her. I've been following her forever, and I watch every video that she posts, every single one. So anyway, these bag toppers are so cute, and this paper is so cute too. Look at the confetti, you guys. It's making me so happy. And then I love this. Like, I love how like streamlined this is. Isn't it so pretty? I love this. I want this bag topper so much because it is so cute. I love how like it's so, I don't know, it's so cute. It looks like a little like clutch. I don't know. I just love it. And then this one is my favorite because look at the little scallop at the bottom. And look how cute. This is like the perfect size too. Like, look how cute. Perfect. Literally. So cute. I love these. I wonder if they came in a set. That's what I'm wondering, if they came like together. So pretty. Love these. And like you can add stuff to these or just put like pop them on something just like this. So nice. And then guys, look, she gifted me some layered stickers from Woodland Grove. And Woodland Grove is my favorite Maggie Holmes collection. It is my #1 collection. And you know, this stuff is hard to get now because I swear they make the collections for like 5 minutes and then they stop making them. And then they're like vintage, amazing. And then we have to like scour the internet to find it. So I'm so grateful for these. I will definitely put them to good use. They're so cute. I love them so much. And then this card was actually made by Miss Jessica, who's another person you should go subscribe to. I'll put her the link to her channel in the description bar. She is so sweet, and she's been like doing the best hauls. She's been finding some really good deals. Anyway, so this is so pretty, and she used this like, you know, vellum paper in the background, this is such a good idea. I need to do this. So I don't know if it came as a frame or if she cut it into a frame, but this is such a great use of, like, sometimes, you know, the collections come with like papery packs and they have these frames. What a good idea to like stick it on a card like this. And then we have like an embossed butterfly, which I love, this swan, which I love, this bow that I love. It's a holographic pink. Oh my goodness. And these little enamel dots. And then she popped this word, wonderful, up on foam. And then in here, Liana just says like, hope you like my entry, which I love it. Happy birthday. And she says it's from Liana, who's It's a Deal. And her birthday, I think, is in August. I think she told me that too, which is so cool. So happy birthday to you too. And I showed you that. And did I show you guys these stamps? I recorded this video already, so now I'm all confused. But look how pretty. And I'm hosting a travel swap right now as we speak. So I love Round Trip too. That's like one of, like, Woodland Grove is my ultimate favorite. Like, it's my favorite out of all of them. And I have many Maggie Holmes. I've been collecting her stuff long before I started swapping, which I just started swapping last year. But I have like stuff from like a long time ago. Like, I've been collecting her stuff for a long time and just making little projects here and there. So it's nice because I still have it now for swapping, because like before I started swapping, I like wouldn't make stuff because I'm like, what am I going to do with it? And that's why swapping gives me such a purpose for crafting, which I love, for somebody that's very practical like me. So anyway, this is so pretty. I love it. I love this flower. I love this collection. I almost used it for my travel swap, but I bought a different one to use. And then you guys, you're in for a treat because inside here, look at this. So she did she put a sticker and it says, grab my hand, let's go. I love that. Let the journey begin. I love. And then look at all of these goodies. Oh my goodness. So she gave me this really pretty gold, like tinsel trim, and I love it. And I love, I was thinking about this when I recorded it the last time. Like, I love, like embellishment boxes. I love like the idea of just like gifting a little bit of something, because sometimes we get stuff and we have like a million of them, and it's like, you don't need a million of those things. You don't even want a million of them. Like, you don't want to use it a million times, you know? So I love like swapping, and I love like including these kind of things because, like, I don't know, I like, this is so sweet to have like a little bit of this and just be able to use it and then have used it, you know? Where sometimes like the idea of having like a big roll this big of it is like daunting. It's like, am I ever going to use that up? No, never. So I love this kind of stuff in embellishment boxes. And then we have these swans that are so cute. And I got one of these swans in a Maggie Holmes swap that I did, and I was obsessed with it. And now I'm so glad that I have another one, because now I can actually use it instead of just hoarding it, which is what I was planning on doing. And then this gorgeous swan here. This is like all the Maggie Holmes icons. All the Maggie Holmes icons. So we have a bow here. This looks so cute. This is like Pretty Picnic has bows like this, and I think Forever Feels this too. This is so pretty. Instax camera, little hot air balloon says far away. This I love. It says to travel is to live. And then this little umbrella. I love this. I love these. Oh my gosh, I love charms. I'm so obsessed with charms. Can never use the amount of charms that I have. But it's so fun putting them together in embellishment boxes like this too. And she also gave me these adorable alligator clips that are so cute. I've never seen Like, I've never seen these, and they're like the prettiest colors, and they're so tiny. And what I love about them is that they're flat, so they're very easy to embellish. So you can add like stuff very easily to these. They're so pretty too. I love them as is. They're so, so pretty. So they're cute to like clip on a project, you know? And then these are flowers. This is what I'm calling my flowers and leaves. So I opened this like by accident, I think, and like it started spilling out. So I just put this stuff back. So I don't know if it came in the bins that I have assigned them to, but I tried to like put it back together in a way that made sense. So in here we have all these flowers and these pretty leaves, and leaves already have holes in them, so you can just put them on a dangle. This flower is my favorite, guys. Look how pretty. And then we have more little baby flowers. So cute. I love them. This one is so pretty too. So that is our flowers and leaves bin. Our little section right here. And I don't know if that's how it came. And then we have some bows in here, and also these gorgeous, like these are so pretty. These iridescent bows. And then look at these pretty pretty gold flowers. And then this is like a little baby charm right here. Look how sweet. So cute. It's so small, so tiny. And then this one, I love this. So this, you could put a charm here and hang some from here. Isn't that so nice? Sorry if you guys hear my ice maker. It's always being annoying. And then this one is so cute. It's like made to be a connector, but you could also like hang it like a little bit like this, you know, and then like hang a dangle. Wouldn't that be so cute? I love that. And then we have these horsies. I guess maybe they're Mustangs. They're really nice and perfect with so many Maggie Holmes collections. And then this is a bird, either a parrot or a toucan. I don't know how you know the difference. And look at Bambi, a deer. So cute. I love that. And then a bow here. So pretty. Love that one. And then I'm going to go get back to this because I have a lot to say about these. They're so cute. Look how cute this bow is. I feel like he would be so cute on a little gingerbread man. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this. I love the shape of this bow. And then look at these. So pretty. This, guys, look how pretty this is. I need a gajillion of these. This is my color pink, okay? This is my pink that I love. Like this, when I think about the pinkest pink, this is it. Glittered and like just everything. I wonder if someone made this. It looks like resin. It is so pretty. Okay, so I'm, you know, eventually gonna try to do a little bit of resin. Let's see. But I know I need to put glitter in it because look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. Love those. And then these fabric bows remind me so much of my grandma. She passed away right before COVID. But she always had these like on her on her dresser. She used to sew, and she always had like stuff like this around. And this just reminds me, I need to put this somewhere on my desk so that I can like think of her. I love these. These are so cute. Maybe I'll make a little project with like her picture and put these on it. So pretty. I love these so much. Look, my fabric flower is so cute. And then this is my puffy hearts, butterflies, and stars bin where I put all the puffy hearts. Look at these. So cute. And then these are like flat back hearts. This is like a big cat, like a big Brad, basically. And then look at the butterflies. Look at the puffy butterflies. This is another puffy heart. Look how pretty they are. And then look at this guy at the bottom. This like pink iridescent one. Love, love, love. Another puffy heart. So cute. And then, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know that I love stars. I love stars. I don't know why I love stars so much, but I do. I love them. I love them. And we have different types here. We have 2 puffy stars. Look how pretty. I love this glitter one. This one is actually wooden, but it's painted like this metallic gold. And then this is actually specialty paper that's cut. Isn't it so cute? I love these. I love these. And then over here we have some wax seals, which I love and never use. But the thing, again, I like about an embellishment box is like when I have just like 4 of these, I will use them because I can find them, you know, they're like easy. It just feels easier to like craft when you have like a little bit of stuff, you know, like a little bit of things. It's like, okay, I have these, I remember that I have them, as opposed to like, you know, a whole bunch of them. And I need to remember that when I'm like hauling everything. Just because you love it, and then you're like, you don't want to run out of it, so you need a million of them. These are hearts with bows. So cute. This one says blossom. Or does it say bloom? No, it says blossom. How funny. That was my grandmother's nickname. Wow, I just realized that. I didn't even realize that when I recorded it the other time. And I was just talking about my grandma. Okay, and then this one is a flower, like a rose. I love these. And I love wax seals, but I never use them. I'm going to use these for sure. And then we have these. This is like little bits in this one. And the thing that I like about these is these little pearl ones. Because they're so flat, they're cute in shakers. They're very cute in shakers. So cute, and they shake well too. And then these little flat back bows, and then these are so pretty to like go in the center of flowers. Like if you do a bigger flower, look how pretty they are. They look so nice in flowers. And then some of these flat back stars, and then this is a really pretty charm and some more flowers. Look how pretty. These are so pretty. All of this is so pretty. And then we'll get to our last one, which I skipped, because why does everyone make beautiful rolled flowers except me? Oh, look at these guys. These are the prettiest flowers. Why don't mine look like this? Look how pretty they are. Look, they're like so uniform and they're like gorgeous. I need a million of them, but I don't know why my rolled flowers. What am I doing wrong? These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're too pretty to use. Oh, and then look at this. Look at these. This one looks like a mum. Look how cute. What am I doing wrong with my rolled flowers? Why don't mine come out like this? Oh my gosh. And this one is a little one with a little puffy thing in there. Look how cute these are. I'm gonna have to ask her. I'm gonna have to message her about these flowers because I need to be able to make these. Mine do not look like this. Why? What am I doing wrong? Maybe I'm using the wrong file. I don't know, but look how pretty. Look at the center. I need a tutorial. And I feel like I watched one and I still don't do them right. They're so pretty. I need a million of them immediately. They're so cute. Look at this hot pink one. I can use this one for Halloween. So that is my wonderful embellishment box from Liana. And if you are not subscribed to her channel, you need to go over there. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. And I am just like so happy to have her crafty goodies in my hand. We have never had, like we've never swapped before. But funny enough, when she was messaging me to tell me that this was on the way, we found out like that moment that we're actually partnered for a Halloween swap. So we're gonna have so much fun doing the girliest, pasteliest, unscary, cute Halloween swap ever. I'm so looking forward to it. I'm so excited that we're partnered. And yeah, I'm just like looking forward to it so much. So go over there and subscribe if you're not. And if you're not subscribed over here, why aren't you? Hello. We have so much fun over here and it's free and we have fun. So you should subscribe to the channel and make sure you go check out Liana, check out Jessica in the description bar. And thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Liana so much for all of the support that you lend to the crafting community all the time, and for having amazing content and just being overall so super sweet. So guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.